Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. We bought a big turkey for Christmas, then ended up with leftovers. We had 2 to 3 dinners, reheating the leftovers, and we still have turkey in the fridge. There are a few recipes you can make with it, like turkey tetrazzini, turkey à la king, or even this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my turkey chili. With a beautiful combination of ingredients, along with great seasoning, this is a flavorful dish. It's a perfect way to use up your turkey leftovers. Plus, who doesn't like chili? So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large casserole over medium heat, we'll add olive oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add red onions and saute them for 2 minutes. Then we'll add celery and cook as well for 2 minutes. Next, we'll add the red peppers, poblano peppers, and jalapeno. We'll saute the ingredients for 4 to 5 minutes or until softened. To this, we'll add pressed garlic, chipotle chili powder, ground cumin, dried oregano, and smoked paprika. We'll mix everything, stirring constantly to prevent the spices from burning, and we'll do that for about 1.5 minutes. Then we'll add 2 cans of fire-roasted diced tomatoes and stir in with the vegetable mixture so nothing stick or burn while we're adding more stuff to it. So we'll add a can of corn kernels with its juice, which will give a little sweetness to our dish, and a can of diced green chilies. We'll stir to combine before adding these 2 key ingredients that make a chili: red beans and black beans. We'll also add our protein, cooked turkey, followed by a cup of chicken broth, and then we'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll give a good stir, making sure everything is well mixed. Increase the heat to medium-high, bring the mixture to a simmer, and then reduce the heat to medium. We'll cover, but leave the lid slightly ajar so the steam can escape, giving us a thicker texture to our chili. We'll cook for 20 minutes. Later on, we'll give a good stir and, like I always say, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. Mine needed just a little more sweetness to it, so I added a tablespoon of raw sugar. Of course, if we add anything to it, we'll have to stir. We'll partially cover again and let it simmer for another 20 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove the lid and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chili thickens, stirring often. Half an hour later, we should have a nice thick chili, so we'll remove from the heat and spoon into warm bowls. We'll add a dollop of sour cream, sprinkle on some grated sharp cheddar cheese, and garnish with green onions and fresh chopped cilantro. And my friends, this is our Turkey Chili Tex-Mex Style. Hearty and packed with flavor, this delicious comfort food is a great way to use up your leftover turkey. With incredible ingredients and spices, this chili is far from boring. So do yourself a favor and make this recipe. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!